First half is over and the scoreline is 1-1, and I don't expect it any other way. I don't understand what is happening at Liverpool. Okay, there is this thing that my mother always says, that is कि नजर लग जाना, and I feel that is happening to us since the start of the season. देखो भाई, चैंपियंस लीग जीते हैं, उसके बाद प्रीमियर लीग जीते हैं, and there is no way that I don't agree to this thing कि पक्का नजर लगी हुई है. ट्रस्ट मी, ये हो सकता है, एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली फुली अग्री टू दिस. सीरियसली, अभी जोटा का इंजरी, मतलब गिव मी सम न्यूज़ जिसमें ना आई कैन एक्सपेक्ट समथिंग कि हाँ अभी इसमें ना मेरे को कोई इंजरी अपडेट नहीं मिलेगा. क्या मतलब एक मैच खेलते हैं देन दिस पर्सन इज इंजर्ड, अगले गेम में एक नया बंदा आएगा देन द थर्ड पर्सन इज इंजर्ड. दिस इज अ सर्कल गोइंग ऑन, एंड विद दीज काइंड ऑफ इंजरीज आई कांट एक्सपेक्ट दैट इन नेक्स्ट सीजन विल हैव अ बेटर सीजन दैन द वन दैट वी हैड this time. If it was the center backs wala problem this time, then in next season maybe it is the possibility that it would be the forwards that will get the problem, that will face the problem, or maybe our full backs. We have Tsimikas and Nico, but just imagine that Liverpool team when Trent and Robertson are not playing and there is Nico and Tsimikas on their places. There is no way to win matches when the squad is not at all strong. As the match started, the first 30 minutes were horrible, and that same thing happened with Manchester United also, and that was expected with United because United has been a very good team this season. What is happening with the injuries? Please, I really need to understand that there are players who are not even playing, they're not even on the pitch, but they are injured. Van Dijk, Gomez का तो चलो शुरू से ही पता है. Hendo injured, then अभी जोटा का new injury, then Milner, they are saying Milner and Ox शायद next में वापस आ जाएंगे. When did Ox play and when did he get injured? I'm not understanding what is happening to our team. You can't carry on another season this way. There is no possibility. And क्या गारंटी है कि नेक्स्ट सीजन में ये इंजरीज नहीं होंगे, कि कोई और इंजरीज नहीं होंगे? देर इज समथिंग फिशी गोइंग ऑन, you know, and I'm not able to make that out. What is this? West Brom's Robson Kanu got such a good goal against us. I mean, that's a team that is getting relegated, and you can't expect goals like these from them, that they can just convert with that touch. That was beautiful. You don't expect that. Second half has to be far better, because I'm telling you, defensively we are definitely going to commit errors. So if in second half we don't get another goal soon, it can be very dangerous for us at the moment, and we can like forget about ending in top 4. I'm seriously just pissed off with the number of injuries that we're having this season. It's so irritating and annoying to every day wake up and see a new name in that list. Why? Alisson. I need some time to process. 1 second. Alisson ने गोल करा for why can't we do it an easy way, yaar? What is this? I need therapy for Liverpool, and also Liverpool is my therapy. What shall I do? What is supposed to be done on this? I'm supposed to be happy now कि हाँ बहुत अच्छा. I was so disappointed with the way we were playing and we didn't deserve the win. ऐसा लग रहा था कि what the hell is happening, and I'm not going to watch Liverpool's match ever again or review it. Seriously, that was happening with me. But then last minute में गोल कर देते हैं, इस तरह गोल कर देते हैं. What shall I do? मतलब there is nothing that I can do about it then, you know. Then I have to be happy and all satisfied with it कि yes, we go again and we go again. It can't work that way. What was that? What was that? Alisson, please explain it to me. Oh my god. I have forgotten everything. I had to say a lot many things, you know. I had written it down. Okay, I'm going to talk about this. I've forgotten everything after that goal. Breathe. I'm not going to talk about anything right now. Don't even expect I'm going to talk about the performances of the players at the moment, because I am blank. And I'm not going to do these reviews and all. I think I should not do that, because I can't take it anymore, you know. I can't take it anymore. The thing is, it was a last minute goal and I had prepared myself. Okay, I'm going to talk about Europa and how we should like just forget about it now and go for it, because we had injuries and stuff. And अब मैं क्या बोलूँ? अब मैं ये बोलूँ कि we go again next with Burnley and then Crystal Palace. I don't know. Why do they play the way they play यार? Why do they do that? Easy wins नहीं हो सकते हमारे को. ये लास्ट मिनट पे गोल करना जरूरी होता है. Okay, what? हाँ तो 2-1 हो गया. Liverpool won. I don't know what to say. Seriously, I don't know what to say. It's just that Liverpool won. We are still in the race. We are still in the race. जैसे मर्जी करके निकाल लिया और कर लेंगे भाई. कर लेंगे, देखा जाएगा. और कुछ नहीं है. अभी 2 मैचेस बचे हैं. 2 मैचेस तक I wish I survive. I'm telling you, if this is the way that we are gonna play, if we can't have easy wins, हो गया मेरा. हो गया. I'm telling you. लास्ट ईयर वो एवर्टन के अगेंस्ट गोल और ईगल का, आई मीन नाउ एलिसन बेकर डिड दिस, ऐसे आराम से आ रहा है कि ठीक है यार, चलो यार ठीक है, देख लेते हैं, लास्ट है अभी, कुछ और बचा नहीं है, देयर इज नथिंग दैट वी कैन डू, ऑल द प्लेयर्स वर सो वैसा कि कुछ नहीं बचा, कुछ नहीं होने वाला, इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ ड्रॉ, एंड देयर कम्स एलिसन बेकर एंड वहां से जाके गोल हो जाता है. Did you see the reactions of everybody there? I mean, thank God fans नहीं है वहाँ पे, मैं बता रही हूँ, आधे आधे तो ना फील्ड पे आ जाने थे वहाँ पे, ग्राउंड पे. कौन रुकता उस टाइम पे? What is this? What are these games? That's it. अब नहीं होगा मुझसे और, बस हो गया, बाय.